inevitability to Trump because it's going to be Trump versus 9 others, say, or 10 others. That's not what's going to happen. That's silly analysis that doesn't help either side. It's just wrong. After New Hampshire, the latest South Carolina, the latest, it's going to be mano a mano. And it's likely going to be Trump DeSantis. That's a fact. And now you're talking about 2 people, not 10 people. Now you're done with plurality. That's just silly analysis. I'm sorry. All right, I'm going to get out just a little bit early. I usually go way late. I want to get to some of the clips. They're short, and I want to give you some commentary on some of the highlights from Trump's speech last night and how, sadly, he can't win with the media. It's hilarious. The media coverage on this is just hilarious. Yeah, so much for getting out 30 seconds. All right, more of this the other side of the break. We'll be right back. Why are you buying gold from Birch Gold right now? What is it about the market that scares you? Why does gold provide you security and peace of mind? Inflation continues to be a plague in our economy, our families, and our savings. And the irresponsible spending from the left just continues to exacerbate the problem. Don't be over-leveraged in the stock market. Don't let your savings wither away. Hedge inflation with gold from Birch Gold like I do. That's right, I buy gold from Birch Gold, and you can too. Listen to this. You text Bongino, B-O-N-G-I-N-O, to 989890. For your free information kit on gold, you'll get a free gold bar with any purchase by December 22nd. But you have to claim your offer by Black Friday. Don't allow the left to devalue your savings. Text Bongino to 989890. Claim your free information kit from Birch Gold. You can own physical gold and silver in a tax-sheltered retirement account. Birch Gold will help you do it. When you place an order by Friday, December 22nd, Birch Gold will send you a free gold bar. Text Bongino to 989898. Secure your future with gold. Do it today. Past performance is not a guarantee of future results. Message and data rates apply.
Dan Bongino.
Come strengthen your pack at the new Great Wolf Lodge in Manteca. With over 50 attractions, we wanted to see how many we can name in the remaining seconds of this ad.
River Canyon Run, Oliver's Moonstone Maze, Tin Pot Bowling, Howler's Peak Ropes Course, Magi Quest, Slaptail Pond Wave Pool, Build-A-Bear Workshop, Storytime, a 4-story water
Only
fort,
40 more to go. And now that a getaway to Great Wolf Lodge in Manteca is just a short ride away, families have time to experience every attraction at the lodge. Great Wolf Lodge, strengthen the pack.
If you were sexually abused as a child by a priest, coach, or teacher in California, you can seek justice, but time is running out. Survivors only have until December 31st, 2022 to take legal action. Even if the perpetrator is dead or the abuse occurred decades ago, you have legal rights and deserve to find healing and empowerment. Contact Jeff Anderson and Associates confidentially to speak to a trauma-informed advocate at 1-800-ITS-TIME. That's 1-800-ITS-TIME, or visit AndersonAdvocates.com. 12011 San Vicente Boulevard, Suite 700, Los Angeles, California. Attorney Advertising.
Universal Studios Hollywood is where the holidays come together. We've tested it. Festive food with refreshing Coca-Cola. Family, friends, and fa-la-la. Dazzling lights cranked up to maximum merriment. The Grinch and his dog Max stealing your tree. All the science adds up. It's the awesomest celebration of the season. Save $20 on a Coca-Cola 2-day general admission ticket. Offer ends 12/14/22. Restrictions apply. Details at universalstudioshollywood.com/Coke offer.
When we told growers that New Bear Premium Trifold Herbicide for corn delivers visibly clean fields for up to 8 weeks, they were a bit skeptical.
We'll see how it works.
So we decided to prove it. We set up cameras in multiple cornfields, treated them with Trifold, and filmed for 24 hours a day. For 8 weeks, we saw a variety of weather conditions, and Trifold worked. See for yourself at TrifoldInAction.com. Trifold is a restricted use pesticide. Consult your state pesticide regulator for specific restrictions. Read and follow pesticide label directions.
At Marshall's, our buyers hustle to get you great deals on great gifts. Cashmere sweater, nice. You'll get brand name quality gifts for everyone on your list, and yourself too. Designer fragrance. More brands, more quality, more gifts for less. At Marshall's, gift the good stuff.
We're not playing games. Cutesy time is over. This is for real. The Dan Bongino Show.
Yeah, and Trump's not playing games either, and either is DeSantis, man. Cutesy time's over, folks. There's going to be a primary. It's going to be rhetorical punches thrown. Leave the real ones for the violent leftist nutbags. And there's going to be some bruises. And that's how politics is, man. You know, those old expressions, you know, your parents, that's how the cookie crumbles. That is how the cookie crumbles. That's it. That's how it goes down. You don't like it? Don't get involved in politics. Don't get bitter. You don't want to make it personal. I'll cover DeSantis' response too and how this said nobody make it. This is the perfect way to do it. Let's see them go at it. I don't mind. You shouldn't mind either. Sharpens everybody up. Tighten it up. Tighten it up. I don't know who said that. I just said that. The damn Bongino is. Tighten it up. It is a Bongino original. You're right. Hey, Christmas is coming. If you're looking for a really special gift, I'm editing this spot. I strongly encourage you to check out the firearms made right here in America by our friends at Henry Repeating Arms. Folks, when you give someone a Henry rifle or shotgun, you're giving them a work of art. It's built with the finest craftsmanship I've ever seen in a lever-action rifle or shotgun. It's just true. Their performance is top-notch. I have the 44 carbine, the 45-72. Mine were accurate right out of the box. I have the all-weather finish, and I beat the living out of it. Start by going to henryusa.com. That's the website. Order their free holiday gift guide. Do it today. They'll mail it to you with free decals. Use them for stocking stuff. One of the things I like the most is that these firearms are family heirlooms. People love Henry rifles. They can be passed down to future generations. They'll be backed by the company's lifetime satisfaction guarantee. So if you're looking for the best gifts this Christmas and you want to put something that's made in America under the tree, I got the answer for you. Go to henryusa.com. Order their free gift guide and decals. That's henryusa.com for a free gift guide and decals. You're going to love this company.
Dan Bongino.
All right, so here is a small snippet from the speech last night. Cue up for me, cut two, Jim. It's a perfect time for Donald Trump to address the voter ID same-day voting issue, given the debacles in Nevada, California, and Arizona that are still going on. Take a listen.
To eliminate cheating, I will immediately demand voter ID, same-day voting, and only paper ballots.
See, folks, this is how it's done. If you're going to give a speech and a campaign speech like that, you better make it buttoned up and issue-oriented and distraction-free, and that's what it was. If he can run this kind of disciplined campaign and continue to give speeches like this, he had the media, shockingly, I'll read it to you later from Playbook, you know, the Bible on left. He had the media claiming he's boring. This is hilarious. Jim, I thought, you know, he was Hitler, he was Idi Amin, he was Mussolini. Now all of a sudden he's boring. The best thing that can happen to Donald Trump is for the left-wing media, I'm not kidding, to characterize his speeches as boring. This is what happens when you do what he did last night. Distraction-free, buttoned-up, issue-oriented. People care about voter ID, same-day voting, paper ballots. He addressed this and more. I'll get to more of it after the break. We'll be right back. Folks, the inventor and CEO of MyPillow is always looking for ways to solve everyday problems. You ever picked up a towel set because it felt really soft in the store, but when you go to use it, it's not very absorbent? Well, that's a problem. Basically a towel leaving you out to dry. That's why MyPillow developed the MyPillow towels. Towels that work. I know, it's mind-blowing. Towels that actually dry you. Crazy. The 6-piece towel set includes 2 bath towels, 2 hand towels, and 2 washcloths. They come in a variety of colors, and right now you can receive a 6-piece set for only $39.96 with promo code BONGINO. Go to MyPillow.com right now and click on the radio listener special. MyPillow products come with a 10-year warranty. They have a 60-day money-back guarantee. To receive this incredible offer on the 6-piece MyPillow towels, just go to MyPillow.com. Click on that radio listener special and enter promo code BONGINO or call 800-837-0459, 800-837-0459. That's MyPillow.com, promo code BONGINO.
Dan Bongino.
Welcome to America, the land of junk sleep, where it's bedtime, but you're double booked. Here, there's always one more deadline to meet.
episode to watch or meme to share. The world may not want you to sleep,